How can I make pandas dataframe column headers all lowercase? I want to make all column headers in my pandas dataframe lowercase. Example. If I have I would like to change zrat to zrat by doing something like so that I get I will not know the names of each column header ahead of time. You can do it like this. Or example.
You could do it easily with str.lower for columns. Example. If you want to do the rename using a chained method call, you can use. If you're not chaining method calls, you can add in place equals true.
Is the easiest but will give an error if some headers are numeric. If you have numeric headers, then use this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.